Hello and welcome back to Run the Robsons. As you can see here, it has been snowing up here in the northeast. You might have noticed on the weather reports that the northeast has just been hit by Storm Arwen. So I've just came down to check, well, the caravan's still here, which obviously it is because I'm sat in the caravan, and to make sure there's nothing untoward. I noticed the battery is struggling, but it's kind of a little bit lower than it was a couple of weeks when I came. Maybe the cold's getting it because I know cold does affect batteries. So we haven't really been putting a lot out recently. We've been putting videos out as and when we can. We haven't been a lot of Instagram posts either. And that's what I talk to you about. Why is that? Why is the situation? What has happened to us? And how's that going to affect things going forward? So since about, well, I'd say about September, we haven't exactly been struggling, but things haven't been going great for the Robson family. Originally, Olivia got COVID, so she was unwell for a bit. Then she recovered. Then Maisie got COVID. She wasn't great for a few weeks, but she recovered. And then there was an overlap between Lucy getting COVID. Now, Lucy hasn't actually really fully recovered yet. She's actually been off work for the past 4 weeks, and she's going back on Monday on a phased return. So that's made it quite hard to get content out, because obviously a lot of things that Lucy would do, I'm now doing as well, which is absolutely fine. That's what I expect as a dad of the family. But it just means I haven't had as much time to give you the content that you would normally like to see on the channel and also on the Instagram feed. We've also been lashing out money like there's no tomorrow. So like I've said, we've been lashing out money like there's no tomorrow. Since September, we've paid for quite a few things, which lately has also meant we had to buy a new boiler and a washing machine. So I reckon since September, we've spent about £3,000 to £3,500. Now, again, that's just normal life, and that's a first world problem. We're quite lucky to have the house we have and the situation we've got. But obviously, when we spend nearly £3,500, it means that we can't really afford to go away as much. We also don't normally go away as much anyway over the winter. We normally try and go once a month, and we're going to still try and do that, but it isn't easy. So basically this video is to kind of talk about the fact that we won't be putting content out quite as regularly. We won't be doing weekly videos. So I'm really sorry that you might be disappointed by that, but that's the situation that we're in. We will try and put some posts on Instagram from time to time, and maybe even a little story from time to time. I'm still going away next weekend on my own. Because the girls are busy and Lucy's busy, but I've negotiated to still be able to go away for a weekend, so we'll show you that, and we will still take part in the collaborations with the other YouTubers. But apart from that, I can't guarantee there will be weekly videos. It just depends what's going on. Normally this time of year we do caravan reviews, and there are some available at United British Caravans. But again, like I said, just haven't had the time to go down and video those and then edit those. Although a couple of things I want to look at, like the Coachman and the new Grande Ancona as well. So hopefully you appreciate the situation we're in. Because of the amount of money we spent as well, we're not even sure what we're going to do about next summer. So our intention was to go to France again, but do something a bit different. But we're going to have to think about where we need to cut our cloth on that. If you're interested and don't have to, obviously, we do have some YouTube merch these days, like everybody does. And we'll put a link down below. We try to make our merch a little bit more generic, rather than plastering our logo all over than other people have, which is absolutely fine. But we've decided we wanted to make it more of a general caravan thing, as opposed to a purely Run the Robsons thing. If you're a new subscriber, really appreciate you coming to join our channel, and I hope you enjoy what we have here. If you're an older subscriber, we also really appreciate the time that you take to watch our videos, to like our videos, to get interacting with us on different mediums, whether that's YouTube, Instagram, or Twitter. So like I said, we will be putting a little bit less content out, but hopefully you're all safe and well. And over the next few weeks, we're getting near Christmas, we'll hopefully sort of do the odd trip and put that out to you, because we kind of want to change the channel from just being reviews and about fixing the caravan and things, which is fine, but we want it to be more about family time, because we believe that caravan time is family time and caravan time is freedom.